This thing is quite an invention, guys, I gotta say.
Yo, you got the juice now, man.
What's up, guys? Pizzle's Tech Time, back again with another video, and I've got something pretty exciting for you. Now, usually I don't do cell phone accessories or anything crazy like that. This was pretty interesting to me, so I found this at Best Buy, and I also found some similar ones on Amazon. This is a wireless fast charging dash windshield mount, and it does work with the iPhone and Android. So for all you Apple guys, I'm not forgetting you. So I just bought the Samsung Galaxy 9 Plus, and I have an unboxing video for that, and I'll leave it right up there if you're interested. I need to wirelessly charge it. I need to. I mean, why wouldn't I? So I wanted to get myself a mount for my car where I could mount it on the windshield or the dashboard, wherever I feel comfortable. I don't like to stick things to my dashboard because I don't want to do any damage to it. I know a lot of dashboards are made of plastic or pleather now, and you can easily do damage to them. So be careful if you're going to stick anything to your dashboard, guys. So when I went to Best Buy, they had two types of wireless fast charging mounts. One of them you had to stick permanently to wherever you were going to use it, and this one is a semi-permanent. So what I mean by that is you can stick it to your windshield or your dash and it'll stick, but you can take it off if you want. So I thought that was pretty cool, and I'll go ahead and show you the box here. Okay, it's wireless fast charging. See the inside of the box there? How this thing works is it's going to charge your phone, and you can open it up like this, and then when you smash it in, it'll just close, just like that. So I thought that was pretty dang interesting. And the fact that it will fit almost any phone, and you can adjust the feet there also. So you just pop those in, and then when you put it in, it will clamp in on your phone. Now I want to also be able to view my phone in landscape mode and portrait mode, so I want to turn my phone sideways and long ways. So I thought this one would actually work perfectly because it won't fall out the sides or the bottom. So this wireless fast charging begins automatically when you mount, compatible with all QI wireless enabled devices. And this says it charges up to 40% faster than standard wireless charging. Okay, so this thing is pretty awesome, I think. It was $54 at Best Buy, and I think it's a pretty neat little device here. So if you're interested in purchasing this after I unbox it and you get a closer look at it, I'm going to leave a link for it below. And if you do click on that link, it's going to be an Amazon affiliate link, and those links do support me. So let's go down here, and let's give this bad Larry an unbox, shall we? Got a little plastic piece there. I don't know what's up with that. And the rest of it will slide out like so. Okay, we've got quite a lot going on in this box, guys. So, QI alignment guide. Okay, so it tells you where the charging coils are. That's pretty cool. So if you have any questions to where the coils are on your phone, they're usually right under the logo, directly in the middle of your phone. So you want to line that up there. I don't know how you're going to do that, but you'll do it. Okay, then you got a nice big remote control, and it shows, in most of these pictures, it shows the phone naked on there. I'm going to try it with the case. So if it doesn't work with the case, it's useless to me. So. Okay. We've got some plastic around here. Got some plastic right here as well. Kind of cheap feeling plastic. We've got a copper tip on the front of the port there. Alright, so I'm hoping that this video is focusing because having some issues there, but hopefully it's focusing. Okay, so the cable itself is actually micro USB. It is not a USB-C. A little bit disappointing, but what can you do? Okay, then you have here the device itself, and looks like it is tightened by a little thing right here, a little screw. So I'm unscrewing it, and then it moves. Okay. Okay, so it looks like the feet actually come off. So you're gonna, depending on the size of your phone, it looks like you're going to, you're gonna set it up depending on where the coil is. So I guess if your coil is right here, gotcha. Okay, so the foot adjusts like that, like so. You just screw that in there, and you can adjust the foot left to right and up and down. My phone is huge, so of course I'm gonna need to put the feet all the way down. And now I'm gonna be surprised if this phone even fits in there. Alright guys, I'm back and I plugged this charger in, and I have plugged my phone into it. It is charging, and as long as you use a fast charging brick, it does give a Samsung phone a fast charge, which is excellent. I did plug it into a regular charging brick at first and it did not work. So I'm guessing that the charging cable that it comes with for your car, it will work with fast charging. But with the Samsung fast charging brick, it does actually work. And I will go ahead and actually grab my phone for a second and I'll show you guys, okay? Alright guys, I got the brand new Galaxy S9 here, and it's in an OtterBox Defender case. So this is a very thick case here. So as you can see, I'm gonna simulate being in the car here. So what you're going to do is pop that open like so, and then when you're ready to charge your phone, it's going to be sitting, you know, like this. And you can see that notification light came on, that green light, so you're good to go. And we'll just go in the settings here, and we'll drop down fast wireless charging right there. It's perfect. This thing is working just like it should. And for $55, I think it's quite a steal. So let's finish putting it together really quick. Okay guys, so after you tighten it around this guy right here, you tighten it around the back right here, and then you can release it. And then you'll be able to actually move this around a little bit. Same thing with this. And then you tighten it back up again. And then this is just like any other suction cup. And it says you can actually rinse it with water. If you put it on your dashboard, you're going to have it like a little crane like this, hanging over the dashboard. And it also extends forward. Look at this, guys. This is really cool. Look at that. This thing is cool. This thing is quite an invention, guys, I gotta say. I'm pretty impressed with this. I mean, the build quality is like nothing crazy or anything, but I mean, this thing is awesome. You put this on your dashboard, and you know, that's amazing. And it hangs right over here. And you just put your phone right in there, and you got, bang, you got wireless charging. Now this is, and as soon as you press it in there, it hooks in, and you're good to go. This is a cool invention, and you know, when I saw it, I said, hey, if this works, it'll be cool. And from what I can see, it's working. So there are other configurations that you can use this, like this would be the dashboard configuration. So if you wanted to use this on the window, which I'll probably be using it on the window. So if you want to put it on your window, it's going to go like this, backwards up against the window, and that's why it's going to extend like that. Now that's a little awkward of a position because you have to turn it up like that, but I do believe it's going to work fine, guys. So just turn it up a little bit, and then it fits just like that. Now this is a nifty little thing, guys. I'm thoroughly impressed with this. Now if I could find one con about this device, I would say the feet aren't the most sturdy in the world. But the thing is, the feet have to be able to move because they have to fit different size phones. So it's genius. This device is genius. The other device that they're selling is a stationary device. It doesn't have the long arm. It just adheres right to your dashboard. So, and it uses a little magnet ring. So if you are going to stick this to your dashboard, I know I said be careful with that because of the material of your dashboard and everything. It does come with a little sticker right here, and it has a little peel up tab right here. So that might be something that makes this a little easier for you if you ever did need to remove it. So I think this company has pretty much thought of everything. So if you'd like to purchase this device, I'm going to find a link for it and I'll leave it in the description. I think it's an awesome little device, so I'm pretty excited to use it. And I think it's going to become part of my everyday use, when I'm driving long trips. It's going to keep my device charged and keep my device viewable for me. And take away the need for a magnet and charge my device. It's like an all-in-one thing. I used to need a magnet and I needed to plug my phone in. Now I don't need a magnet and my phone's already plugged in just by putting it in the clip. So this is a cool device, guys, and I thought it would be cool if I shared it with you guys. So if you did like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you're new here, make sure to consider subscribing because I'm going to be making tech videos at least once a week now. My channel's Pizzle's Tech Time, and if you didn't know, my name is Greg. I'm a tech enthusiast. I love tech. I just bought a new computer and a new camera to shoot these videos. So I'd greatly appreciate if you would subscribe and get notified when my videos drop by hitting that bell icon right next to the subscribe button. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Remember, I'm always here for you. If you have any questions, just drop them down in the comment section below, and I always answer all the comments below. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later. Peace.